So you want a mobile app for your e-commerce store. That's the right call. But now there's a decision to make. Option 1, hire a development team and build a custom app from scratch. Option 2, use an app builder, something that lets you create an app without writing code. The answer is pretty clear, but are you asking the right question? With custom development, you're looking at anywhere from $100,000 to $300,000 just to get a version out the door. 6 to 12 months of development time, assuming everything goes smoothly. The ongoing maintenance cost is real as well. It's constant work to ensure that your app stays consistent with your website and compliant with Apple and Android operating systems. That's all expensive dev hours. The bottom line, a custom app is a big, risky investment. In most cases, no-code app builders are just a better option. They're cheaper, much faster to launch, and you don't need to keep developers on staff. Perhaps you can customize every pixel of your app experience, but is the ability to do that really worth hundreds of thousands of dollars? It's a trade-off, but it's generally worth it. But now, here's the real question. Are either of these options the best way to build an app? Both custom development and no-code app builders give you a second storefront to manage. A separate system, which means double the work each time you update a banner on your site, add a new feature, a new collection, or run a promotion. Whether you're creating tasks for a developer or updating it in a dashboard, there's still overhead. But there's a third option most brands don't consider. Instead of rebuilding your store as an app, you convert your existing store into an app. Think about it. Your website is already mobile friendly. It's optimized to the hilt. You've put years of effort into maintaining it as good as it could be. Building a mobile app shouldn't mean starting over from scratch. It should extend what you've already built. That's what MobiLoud does. MobiLoud takes your existing website and converts it into a native iOS and Android app. This way you keep all the work that's gone into your website and then you launch an app. And on top of that, you don't get a second platform to manage. Your app and your website stay fully synced. And any update to your website goes live in your app automatically. Like no-code app builders, the cost is a small percentage of what it costs to build a custom app. But the overhead is completely different. So if you're asking yourself, should we build a custom app or use an app builder? The answer is simple. Just convert your existing site into an app. You've already built everything you need sitting right there. And MobiLoud lets you launch your app risk-free.